Hello everyone, this is Charles and I hope none of you guys forgotten about me. Anyways, I'd like to wish, first of all, very important, everyone healthy and safe during this pandemic. Second of all, welcome to my home. This is the work area of my condo, and these days during work from home, this is where I do a lot of the video related activities. By the way, it's also where I train a lot of my models. A lot of my runway models starts their first steps here and then move on to New York Fashion Week or Toronto Fashion Week or Paris and so on. Anyways, I like to say thank you everyone for all these years for supporting my TV show, watching it, and as well I'd like to tell everyone next season is being commissioned, so it's coming. But today I'd like to give a shout out to Catherine Vendera. I get a lot of requests every single day. I wish I can reply to every single one of you guys. However, she has written to me multiple times saying that she watched my show multiple times and really enjoyed it, and on Instagram she said that so you can say hello to me on your episode for Ecuador. That's the nicest thing a guy ever done for me. You have no idea what it means to me. Well, first of all, thank you so much, Catherine from Knoxville, Tennessee. It also means a lot to me that so many people have spent your time seeing the world with me. I hope every single one of you guys go far. So I like to, and as well, of course, especially to Catherine fans like you, thank you so much for making the program possible. With that being said, I'd like to now introduce you to Cotopaxi segment of the Ecuador episode. So today is my last day here in Ecuador, and I decided to sign up for a tour for Cotopaxi mountain. See, I'm really tired, so I'm going to take an easy way out. You can just do this on your own, and I don't think it's that complicated for less than $10. You can even do this on the way from Banos to Quitos, and there's a lot of jump on, hop on, hop off buses that will let you get off in Cotopaxi. The full-day tour includes an English-speaking tour guide, transportation, breakfast and lunch, and bike rentals. The cost typically between $30 to $40, so remember to bargain, and bargain hard. So I think it's breakfast time. Looks like the breakfast looks pretty good. After business. Honestly, I know a lot of you don't eat breakfast every day like myself, but for today, you definitely need it. Need it bad, and all the sugar you can get for the high altitude hike. No kidding here. As well, if you need to take a piss or a dump, please do it here.
Venezuela territory, the mountain range.
You recommend we grab some water because the air is really dry out there. Also, if you want to save a couple of bucks, make sure to bring some bottled waters from home. Now, remember I asked everyone to go to the bathroom. Those guys and gals did not listen. And they are doing their thing right now in the bushes while I get to enjoy the beautiful landscape. So everyone's finished their thing. I bet that's the best piss they ever had in your life.
100 meters. Please don't forget we are in to protect the area. We need to respect the rules. The first rules is walk together with everybody. The next place
I mean, I'm not smart, but I'm smart enough to bring this windbreaker here. Cotopaxi is an active stratovolcano in the Andes Mountains and the second highest summit in Ecuador, reaching a height of 5,897 meters. It is one of the world's highest volcanoes, and now this is my way of getting high. That's how difficult this is. Not easy. Many sources claim that Cotopaxi means shining pile or mountains in indigenous language, but this is unproven. According to a local who speak Quechuan, Coto means moon and Paxi means neck. This refers to a crater of the Cotopaxi looks like the crescent moon. The mountain was honored as a sacred mountain by the local Andean people, even before Inca invasion in the 15th century. Games about hypoxia, dizziness. Given the high altitude, the air here is very thin compared to sea level, which makes the hike even more difficult given our body have to breathe harder and our heart beats faster. So please make sure you are confident on your physical level to march on, and if necessary, slow down, take a break, and drink some waters. With that being said, let's continue.
Congratulations, sir.
The rest of the troublemakers here. Ah!
Cotopaxi!
Yes. Now, you see this? These are all ice. Because I paid for this, I'm gonna touch it. We got enough ice in Canada, but fuck, this is Ecuadorian ice, motherfuckers. By the way, where am I heading to? Cotopaxi has one of the few equatorial glaciers in the world, which start at the height of 5,000 meters. That is what I'm aiming for, and as you can see, I should have some extra sugar for breakfast. You see this? I'm going to lick the ice! Yes! I paid for this! Oh, I lost my water bottle, but I will get my water from natural source! Yeah! Put your cameras away and look in front of you, because if you get hurt here, trust me, there's no hospitals. Be very careful. Since 1738, Cotopaxi has erupted more than 50 times, resulting in creation of numerous valleys formed by the mud flow around the volcano. The last eruption occurred from August 2015 to January 2016. Cotopaxi was officially closed by authorities to climb until it was reopened in October 7, 2017. Believe it or not, I'm actually zoning out from consciousness. By the way, if you're seeing yourself in this state like me, you need to relax your ass. Recover before returning, please. By the time I made it back to the bus, I'm totally brain dead, at least temporarily. But I paid for this experience, and I'm not going to let go of mountain biking. After all, I used to be a member of varsity mountain biking team. I cannot let my manhood down. For the rules, please don't take photos and ride a bicycle at the same time because the road is very rocky and also you can like really hurt yourself. From all the years I've been cycling, this is probably the rockiest. It's quite a landscape actually, really. Oh. After making it to the meeting point, there's a small lake with wild horses. Everyone was offered some hot tea as the tour guide secures the mountain bikes. I helplessly clap inside the van. The tour ends with a lunch. Since you have seen me eating thousands of times, this is what I'm having. Done. Now I can sleep on the bus. Alright, all aboard.